Okay, we're going to talk about informal commands. These are for regular ones. We'll talk about the irregular ones later, but this is for for regular informal commands. So basically, most of the time when you give a command, you'll be speaking in the informal to, because we don't tend to give commands to people that are above us. Now, you might give a command in the usted occasionally, but for the most part, you're going to be using the informal to. So we're going to be talking about how to give those commands. Here's some examples. Pase en bicicleta, so ride on the bicycle. Come más verduras, eat more vegetables. Duerme 9 horas, so sleep 9 hours. Now, you'll notice something about these two commands, that they are not using the S on the end like we're used to verbs doing. Instead, they're more in the el, ella, usted form of the present tense, and that's basically what two commands do. They are using it minus the S, okay? So, and these are for positive commands. When you are telling someone to do something, you're just going to drop that S, okay? So here we have, tú caminas becomes camina, walk. Tú comes becomes come, eat. Tú duermes becomes duerme, sleep. Okay, so notice we've taken the S off of those. And again, this is where I'm telling someone to do something. It is a positive command. The negative commands are where we end up switching the endings. Okay, so the AS ending becomes an ES ending, and the ES ending becomes an AS ending. So basically, if you have an AR verb, instead of using AS at the end of a to command like you normally do, you're going to be using ES. And if you have an ER-IR verb, instead of using the ES like you're used to at the end of it, you're going to be using AS. And again, these are for negative commands. We're telling someone not to do something. Don't do that. So the negative ones are complicated. Nobody likes to be, talked to negatively. And so they're going to be switched, okay? So where we would say tú fumas, which would be you smoke. No. But if we're going to say don't smoke, this instead of the AS here, I have no, don't smoke. No fumes, don't smoke, okay? And for correr, where I have corres, or you run, then when I say the negative command, no corras, I have the AS, don't run, okay? So that's a little bit difficult to get used to, but basically whenever you're giving a command and it's negative in the to form, that's when you switch the endings. Okay, the assignment for today is simply for you to type me a couple of sentences where you tell me how you form commands, both the positive and how you form commands in the negative. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. We'll be doing more work with these after we talk about the irregular commands.